Hello friends, this is Viren Singh Tekam. Again I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in last video before Diwali, right, we have seen about the writing skills. We have started the writing skills. Okay, in writing skills we have discussed about the letters, formal and informal letters we have discussed for the both medium, right, for higher English and for semi English also. The pattern is almost same. In letter we have seen we write the things from the left side. Okay, we need to take care for the margin. Okay, and after that we have to take care for the wordings and grammatical mistakes, the proper presentation of writing skills of a particular writing skills. Like if we are talking about letters, then in letters we should be very careful about the sender's address, about receiver's address. If we are writing a formal letter, okay, we have to be careful about the subject, and after that we write the salutation, right, for like at the middle material, right, we write according to the demand, right. In the middle material we have to be very careful about the wordings, right, the proper sentence construction according to the tense. ये सारी चीज़ें हमने देखी थी. Okay, and if we talk about informal letter, in informal letter we don't write the receiver's address. Then we directly write like dear friend or friend we can write, and at the end we write like yours yours lovingly, yours truly. Okay, like this, all the pattern almost same, right, but according to the new pattern, right, we write the letters from the left side. Okay, but make sure that your material, whatever you will write, whatever information you will write, everything has to come into the proper sequence under the line, under the margin, everything has to be come, right. After that we have discussed about information transfer, verbal to non-verbal. Okay, in information transfer we have discussed about verbal means like we get the paragraph, एक paragraph मिलेगा in a form of paragraph. Okay, like 10 lines or 15 lines, we have to read that paragraph, we have to read that information, and we will make it the diagram. Whatever diagram they will ask, right, after reading the paragraph, suppose we have to make a pie chart, then we have to draw the pie chart, and in that pie chart we will fill up the all information according to demand of the question. So that's called verbal to non-verbal. If we get non-verbal to verbal, it means like we will get any kind of a diagram like pie chart or tree diagram or cylindrical diagram or bar diagram, any kind of a diagram. We read, we understand that diagram, and we make it a paragraph. That's called non-verbal to verbal. Okay, so after that we discussed about like views and counter views, right, that is also important, right. So today we are going to talk about dialogues and speech writing. At this both writing skills will definitely come in the examination, right. So in dialogue we have to be very careful about the colon sign, right. Our colon sign has to come in a proper sequence. हमारा जो colon sign है वो बराबर sequence में आना चाहिए. Okay, apart from that colon sign, we don't put any other sign in the middle of the colon sign. That would be wrong. Okay, we need colon sign like this. A colon sign has to be like this. Okay, in a proper way. Okay, suppose characters are there. Suppose we'll take A, and second character we B, right. So whatever we will write the information, whatever we dialogue write, so that dialogue has to come in a proper sequence, right, from in a proper way. This kind of a things happens in a dialogue, right. In dialogue we have to be very careful about the wordings. Wordings का हमें बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. If we talk about semi English, then we get the dialogue in the form of like in a single line dialogue or a 2 lines dialogue or 3 line dialogue. Almost this writing skills consider for 5 marks, right. So each dialogue consider for 1 mark, 2 mark, 2 mark, like this. Okay, so that happens in the writing skills, especially in the semi-English, right? If we talk about speech writing, then in speech writing, one compulsory line is there, that's called greetings. Okay, so that is also important. In greetings, we write like, suppose we are giving speech in front of the students or in front of the guests, right? So obviously it is compulsory that we will take the name of the guest, right? We will greet the guest like honorable chief guest, then respected principal, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. That compulsory line has to come in the starting. Okay, but it depends like what kind of a speech we are giving, and what kind of a subject, or what kind of a subject, on that subject we are going to speak, right? Everything depends on the question. So here few things are there. So I have sent in the app also, our app is there. So in app also I have sent the material for the dialogue writing. Okay, so suppose if we talk about dialogue, suppose this is your left margin, make sure that whatever you will write, you have to write under the margin. Suppose a character is there, okay, person is there. So what A says, like we write, could you finish all the questions, could you finish all the questions in time. Now this is the first dialogue, right? So A is saying, could you finish all the questions in time? So what B says, after writing one dialogue, after writing one line, we will leave one line, and what B says, we'll see that. Make sure that the colon sign has to come in a proper sequence. For that, what you will do, there is a trick, there is a one technique, that's you will draw the margin, you will draw the margin first, and after that you will put the colon sign on it, right? You have to draw the margin from the pencil. So what will happen, your material will come in a proper way. आपका जो material है, आपका जो dialogue है, वो proper line में आएगा. Especially this colon sign also come in a proper way. So let's see, suppose one dialogue is there, one construction is there. So what is that? A is saying, could you finish all the question in time? So what B says, we'll see that. So we'll say in a short way, right? Yes, comma, I could. Okay, so A is asking question, could you finish all the questions in time? So B is giving the reply, okay, yes, I could. So in this way we have to make it the construction. Let's see the more examples, like what A says after this. A के बाद A क्या बोलता है देख लेते हैं. Okay, A says like, which questions were difficult? Which question were difficult for you? Last we put the question mark. Obviously the question is there. If we are asking the question, then we have to put the question mark. It's a compulsory, okay, punctuation mark, right? We'll see that. Which questions were difficult for you? A is asking again question. You see the presentation here in dialogue. We have to be very careful about the presentation. यहाँ पर हमें presentation के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, because in presentation only we get the marks. Okay, so here A is asking question. Let's see what B says. Now here you have to remember one thing, that after each dialogue, after each line, you have to leave one line, then only your construction will look good. Okay, that's called presentation. So again A is asking question, which questions were difficult for you? So B is giving reply. Okay, what says? Question number 5 and 6 were difficult. for me. Okay, so this kind of a simple conversation, simple dialogue, simple communication is happening over here. It's considered as an short dialogue, okay, short form. Okay, so which questions were difficult for you? A is asking question, so B is giving reply. Question number 5 and 6 were difficult for me. So this kind of things happen, this kind of a dialogue happens especially in semi-English. Already in semi-English, the questions or the conversation is already given in the question paper. We have to read it and we have to put in a proper sequence, obviously. So these things, right, happens in the semi-English, and after that, like 3 more lines, 3 more dialogues will come. Almost calculation of marks would be 5. Okay, all writing skills considered as an 5, right? So this thing happens in the semi-English. Let's talk about the higher English. So what happens in higher English? Okay, I'll show you. Okay. Hope so that you are understanding properly. Okay, in higher English what happens, right? We'll see that. Okay. Right, let's take an example for that. Like in higher English, we get the question, right, in the form of any kind of a diagram, right, or any kind of a conversation is given in the form of paragraph. We'll read the paragraph. Suppose character is there, right, name would be there. We'll get a flat question, right? We'll get a only question and we have to read the question, we have to read the information, and we will put the dialogue. Okay, we will write the construction, we will write the information in the form of dialogue, right? So let's take an example for Rahul, right? Rahul, एक example लिया, एक character लिया. So Rahul is there. So suppose he's talking with his friend. So he said like, hi, how are you today? Okay, so this conversation is there. This is a question, right? So Ajay is there. So Ajay is giving reply, hi, I am absolutely fine. Okay, Ajay is giving reply like this, right? Rahul is asking question, hi, how are you today? Okay, Ajay is saying, hi, I am absolutely fine. So this kind of a conversation, this happens in the dialogue. Okay, both comes in a semi-English and higher English, both department, right? So we have to do a lot of practice for this thing, right? It's quite easy. Okay, here we need to take care only for the presentation, we need to take care for kind of a writing, that our material has to be very clear according to the grammar, right, according to sentence construction. Okay, so this thing happens. Now we'll talk about speech writing. In speech writing, obviously speech writing consider the biggest writing skills in 10th standard. Okay, so speech writing में एक line compulsory रहती है. So if you are giving a speech, if you are writing a speech for the school purpose and the guest is there, so definitely we have to write like from here we can write like respected principal, comma, beloved teachers respected principals, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. Okay, so this is a compulsory line in every speech writing we write, like, or we can start with like hello everybody, or good morning everybody, or good afternoon everybody, right? Whatever time would be there, right? But as a student we can write, we can start with respected principal, or honorable chief guest is there, then we can start with honorable chief guest, then respected principal, beloved teachers, and my dear friends. We can start like hi friends, or hello friends, or good morning friends. This greeting, right? This here the mean कहने का मतलब है कि this line would be always considered as a separate line. ये जो line है ये separate ही रहेगी. Okay, so after that we'll start the exact material what we have to give, right? Today I am here to speak in front of you on so and so topic, on so and so subject, right? So in this way, almost here we have to construct like 3 to 4 paragraphs, especially for 5 lines or 6 lines. So this kind of thing happens, right? But remember, your material has to come in a proper sequence, in a proper under the margin, right? So this thing we take care for that. And obviously speech also consider for 5 marks. So in both medium we'll take it like for speech writing and dialogue writing. Okay, almost consider like this. So hope so that you will understand. I have sent in the app also, right? I have sent in the announcement, I have put the message also, so you guys will read it and you will understand, right? Here a lot of things is happening, right? We are not secure, especially in COVID. So we have to be very careful about, like, being at home we can do a lot of things, right? We can prepare, we can make ourselves in a proper way, right? So we got the material, we have a lot of things for that. So remember that if you have any difficulty, if you find any problem, then you watch the videos again and again, right? I put the grammar, I talked a lot of things about that, right? So I hope so that this is quite enough, right? So thank you, be safe, be happy.